Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we'll be talking about West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination Board. The entrance test of Presidency University Master Degree has is released. So if you want to be a part of this university, so you have to give an entrance examination. We'll be telling you how you can apply or how you can be a part of this university. So if you want to be a part of it, you have to fill the application form. How you're going to fill the application form, that I'll be telling you, but beforehand, the tentative date of examination is 14th August, and I can tell you one more thing, the last date of applying for the examination is 21st April. So you have guys around, I guess, 10 to 13 days to fill this application form. So here you can see you have to click over here. The link of the official website is already given in the description box. You can go over there and check it out. So these are some simple steps which you have to follow to fill the application form. The first one is you have to apply for online registration. Then you have to fill your application form. Then you have to upload your scanned photo and signature. Then you have to pay the examination fees. So if you are already a user, then you have to sign in. You have to write your application number, your password, the security pin which is given over here. You can refresh it as many times as you want. Then you have to sign in. If you have forgotten your password, you can go over there and reset your password through three options which is given over here. So once again, so if you have forgotten your application number, you can do the same from here. If you are not a user, you can go over here to the new registration section. As I already told you, the four simple steps you have to follow: registration, application form, then image upload, then fee payment. Please download the information bulletin beforehand and read it very carefully. So these are some information which is given over here, instructions which is very important as written over here. So if the application fees which you would be paying is 500 for general categories, and for the rest categories it is 400. So these are some procedure which you have to follow: online registration, then application form, then uploading of scanned images, then fee payment, then downloading the confirmation page. And remember, the application fee you would be paying, which I already told you about here, the examination fee is 500 for general. Yeah, so the examination fee which you would be paying is non-refundable. To kindly check your eligibility criteria before proceeding. So we'll click here to proceed. These are some details which you're going to fill. That is your personal details, your communication details, your permanent address, your password, your security pin. After all these information, you have to click to submit. When you will submit your registration well done, then you will proceed to a new page. That would be your application form page. At there you will fill your academic details, that is what your past academic records were. And after that you can go to the document uploadation. There you will upload your photograph and your signature. Then you will pay the fees and download the confirmation page. So I hope this video was a help for you, and if it was, guys, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Hope you have a nice day and all the best for the examination.